Okay, so this is part 2. I'm going to turn it on the device now. Still showing high even though I've turned it off on the machine, or higher or not. And then if I turn it off at the wall, it should go down into the green again. Okay, so there's definitely something going on inside. It's now, I've done this 3 or 4 times while recording and before I started recording, where it's lower when it's turned off at the wall and it's higher when it's turned on at the wall. So I'm not sure what's going on, if this is some sort of technical malfunction, but the company assured me when I spoke with them on the phone that if you never set up the Wi-Fi functionality with the app, that the radio frequency, would never, there would never be any Wi-Fi connector going off, but that seems to not be the case. I don't want to make any accusations, but it seems to not be the case from what I'm testing right now, which is unfortunate because I was looking at buying one of these. I might still, but it's just then I wouldn't be able to have it on. I might not want to have it on in the bedroom overnight.